That was the first wave taken for this heat. We've got 17 minutes still remaining on this heat.
Dito lang. Dito nga radwayan na nga. Di mo tinta sir. Oo lang dito nga radwayan na may parawon ko ni. Manay dito. Sige. Laboy. Katin nyo ah. Tak kayo. Di simur din. Sige. Waya, di waya.
Here we go. We got Blue up and paddling. Checking out the section on this wave. A snap turn, a completed one. Blue finishing it up. Ooh! We've got the first claim of the tournament. If you guys don't know, that is the NextGen claim by Surfer in Blue. Let's see if the judges like that one. But of course, don't forget, Surfer in Red just got his first wave too, picking up the right. So we'll see what the judges think about his wave. Blue up and riding. The inside wave very close to the judges. Finishing it nicely. Surfer in yellow, your first wave, a 2.0. Surfer in yellow, 2.0. Priority Surfer in white. First priority Surfer in white. Second priority Surfer in yellow. Third priority Surfer in red. 14 minutes and 40 seconds remaining still to lock in scores from the last wave of Surfer in blue and Surfer in red. We will give you guys that information once we have it. Thank you guys for watching online. Shout out to Gabs who's watching right now. This is how you guys can support your surfers. You can watch them online on YouTube and Facebook. Here we go. Situation, Surfer in blue. First wave a 3.0 and second wave is a 2.6, a total of 5.60. You're currently in first place. Followed by Surfer in red with a 4.0 on his first wave. And third place, Surfer in yellow with a 2.0. Priority goes to Surfer in white, followed by Surfer in yellow. And third priority, Surfer in red. With 13 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for our men's open shortboard round 36 heat number 1. It's a 20-minute heat. Guys, if you're here at the beach and if you guys are watching online, our very own local surfer in Australia right now. Time check, Surfer in red, 12 minutes and 45 seconds. You need a 1.6 to grab that lead. As I was saying, J.R. Esquivel will have his heat upcoming now. So if you guys also support our Filipino surfer in Australia. But again, Right now, we're enjoying this heat at Men's Open Shortboard here at Pagudpud, round 36 of heat number 1. 12 minutes remaining. Currently leading Surfer in blue with a 5.60 total score, followed by Surfer in red, 1.6. You need a 1.6 of a score to grab that lead. And Surfer in yellow, needing a 2.01. Surfer in white, yet to get his first wave. Yes, you can be choosy out there. We've got swells coming in. In red, you're currently in first place with a 6.90. Last wave is a 2.90, and your first wave a 4.0. Surfer in blue, you're now in second place, needing a 3.91 to grab that lead. Surfer in yellow, you need a 3.6. And Surfer in white, yet to get his first wave, holding on to first priority with 8 minutes remaining for heat number 1, round 36 of our men's open shortboard surf in Ilocos Norte. White up and riding his first wave of the heat, putting it up there with a nice floater, a big hack for his next turn. Surfer in white got fans out of the beach. The louder you get, the better they be. Fans at the beach. Heat number 2. After this heat, we've got Kaheya Namoro on red, Gringo Regala, King Lord Kalasag, and Mark Jaylord Sarabia. If you're here, please grab your jersey, visit our beach marshal, and we're about to paddle out for your heat. 6 minutes remaining. 6 minutes remaining. Still leading Surfer in red, followed by Surfer in blue, needing a 3.91 to grab that lead. Yet to lock in the last wave for Surfer in white. Surfer in yellow, you need a 3.6 to move up to the second place and move to the next round. 5 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Surfer in yellow, you have first priority. Surfer in yellow, followed by Surfer in blue, Surfer in red on third, and last Surfer in white. Five minutes remaining on heat number 1. Fans are getting loud out at the beach. Who's getting this wave? Surfer in blue looking at it. Quick check turn on that one. Off the lip at the back, yellow. Taking up the right. Oh, a split peak. That's what's beautiful about here at Pagudpud. Having that beautiful split peak. Still riding. Surfer in red. 4 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Let's see about the situation, if there's going to be changes. Surfer in yellow, you have second priority. Of course, Surfer in white, you have first priority. Surfer in white, you need a 3.01 Surfer in white to move on to the next round. Red, our current leader, taking one wave up here on the inside and still riding, making sure he finishes that wave nicely. That was Surfer in red. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. First priority, Surfer in white. Second priority, yellow. And third priority, blue. Third priority, blue. 3 minutes. Yellow, up and riding. A backhand whack for the inside. Now white, needing a 3.01. A quick floater on that one. Not giving him the wall that he needs. Now we have Surfer in blue at the back, all alone with his priority. Currently in second. Now up and riding. Ooh, not liking that wave. Heading back to the lineup. It's still up. Battle between red and blue. Let's see who gets the first priority. Ooh. Priority judge giving red as first priority. Red, first priority. Surfer in blue, second priority. White, third priority. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Current leader Surfer in red with 6.90, followed by Surfer in blue, needing a 3.91 if you want to grab that lead. But most importantly, Surfer in white, you need a 3.01 so you can move on to the next round. Surfer in yellow, you need a 3.6 to move on to the next round. Next heat. Paddle out next heat. Heat number 2. We've got 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining.